In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove funds from copy trading on eToro. If you want to reduce the amount you have allocated to a copied investor without fully stopping the copy, this process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along step by step inside your account. First, sign into your eToro account. Make sure you're fully logged in before continuing, since you'll need access to your active investments and copy trading settings. Once you're in, go to the left-hand menu and click on Portfolio. This is where eToro shows all of your current holdings, including any investors you're copying. If you have several positions open, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one. Next, find and open the investor you are currently copying and want to adjust. This will take you into the details of that copied investment, where you can manage it more directly. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This opens a small options menu with actions related to that copied position. From there, select Remove Funds. This option is specifically used when you want to take out part of the money from the copy relationship while keeping the rest invested. You'll then be asked to enter the amount you want to remove. Type in the amount carefully. It's a good idea to double-check the number before moving on, so you don't withdraw more or less than intended. Once you've entered the amount, review the updated investment total that eToro shows you. This step is important because it lets you see exactly how much money will remain in the copied investment after the withdrawal is processed. Take a second here to make sure the remaining amount matches your goal. If everything looks correct, click Remove Funds to confirm and proceed. At this point, eToro will process the adjustment to your copied investment. Finally, verify the changes in your portfolio. Go back and confirm that the copied investment now reflects the reduced amount. This final check helps ensure the withdrawal was completed properly and that your portfolio now matches the allocation you wanted. And that's it. That's how to remove funds from copy trading on eToro. Just log in, open your portfolio, select the copied investor, use the options menu, choose Remove Funds, enter your amount, review the updated balance, confirm, and then verify the change. Thanks for watching.